I have a shirt on, so I ain't naked, but it looks like I am. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for multiple reasons. One, because your girl got some hang time. Like the wigs really be like helping me. So I'm so excited. Hold on. My neighbors are making noise again. You know, I'm scared of heat damage, so when it gets poofy, I really don't want to do anything about it, so don't talk about my hair. Let me live. Let me enjoy my hang time, okay? Okay, so in my previous video, that kind of went a little viral, you know, not like viral, but like sort of viral, like, you know, like a lot of people watched it. So thank you guys so much for all those views and the likes and the comments. I really appreciate it. Now, in that video, I did a poll, right? And the poll was if I should do a giveaway on the highlighting palette. 86% said yes. 1% was like, we hate Fenty. Why am I here? How can y'all not like Fenty? Like, what? So what I'll be giving away is the new highlighting palette that I tried in the other video. It's the Chillowt Highlighting Palette. You know, I was feeling a little generous because you guys are being a little generous to me too. So I figured, why not? There's not gonna be just one winner. There's gonna be two winners. So the first winner would win the highlighting palette, and the second winner can pick any Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter that they choose, which could be Metal Moon, Mean Money and Hustler Baby, Ginger Binge, Moscow Mule, Trophy Wife, Lightning Dust, Fire Crystal, Girl Next Door, and Chic Fleek, Diamond Bomb, Diamond Ball Out, Mimosa Sunrise, Sangria Sunset, Sandcastle Mint Mojito, and 7-Day Weekend Poolside. Like, I'm literally feeling the love that you guys give me. Literally every comment made me so happy. Girl, I even put like little baby hairs and like, you know, it's a little trashy looking baby hairs, but you know, I ain't even put no gel or nothing. They dry ass baby hairs, but like, girl got some hair. I have hair. So these are the rules for the giveaway. These are the rules. Break it down, break it down, break it down. So you guys have to subscribe to this channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram. I'll link my Instagram down below and on the screen right here. So follow me on Instagram and comment a purple heart underneath this video when you are done. On the 26th of November, I will announce on YouTube who the two winners are. But that is it, you guys. I'm really excited to see all you guys' responses on this giveaway. Make sure you follow all the rules. I cannot wait to give back because honestly, you guys have made it possible because, you know, after y'all gave me some views, I got a little bit of, so I'm gonna use that to go get y'all a gift. And then, you know, it's only fair. It's only right. Thank you guys so much for watching this. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.